Test. Open TikTok. Subscribe, like, comment, add to your favorites, tap share, and copy the link. Now open the App Store. In the search bar, type Clean Sound and choose this exact app. After download it, open the app, tap Allow. Then turn your volume all the way up. Wait until it reaches 100%. You can test different tones until the sound becomes clearer. It won't fix a broken speaker, but it helps with minor obstructions. Try it yourself and let me know if it helps.